Hello, and welcome to the Lookout Project. You're probably wondering, what in the world is this girl talking about? Well, I'll tell you. The Lookout Project is for all of God's grateful givers out there. My family and I have started a project where you can help us out and purchase one of our 6 care packages for people in homeless shelters and nursing homes in Burlington, New Jersey. The packages that we have are Happy Health Kits, Clean Kits, Gift of Glam Kits, and Cozy Care Kits. The prices are only $11.35 to $23.10. Will you be a part of the Lookout Project and become a good, gracious, grateful giver?